There are two big forces pushing on residential real estate this fall: low inventory and high demand. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Here's the East Bay big picture. Compared with last October, there are more than 30% fewer homes listed for sale throughout the East Bay. Limited inventory drove up the median sales price by 13%. Buyers not scared by these prices, and homes sold quickly, an average of just 18 days. And there were a lot of buyers in the market. Pending sales increased by 49%. We'll start the weather report with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Throughout the region, with just a couple of exceptions, inventory was way down compared to last October. Fremont 68, Hayward 53, Newark 21 for sale, each about half as many on the market compared to last October. Sales prices up everywhere. 5 communities in the $1 million range: Alameda, Albany, Berkeley, Fremont, and Union City. Homes sold, a little mixed. Berkeley, 77 sold, Oakland, 295, both cities up 20%. At the other end of 880, Union City, 32 sales, down 16%. Next, West Contra, Costa County, where market conditions are similar. Homes for sale, down everywhere. El Cerrito, 6 for sale, down more than 70%. Richmond, 70 on the market, down more than 30%. Sales prices, big increases. El Cerrito tops $1.18 million, up 33%. San Pablo, $531, up 26%. Homes sold, mixed. El Sobrante, 14 sold, double compared to last October. Hercules, 27, and San Pablo, 14, both up. El Cerrito and Pinole, both down. Market conditions in central Contra Costa County were a bit unique. Homes for sale. Clayton, Concord, and Martinez all down significantly, but a few more choices for buyers in Pleasant Hill, 31, and Walnut Creek, 51. Sales prices up everywhere. Pleasant Hill, $995, up 24%, and Walnut Creek at $1.35, up 13%. Homes sold, aside from Martinez, up everywhere. Clayton, 20 sold, up 43%, Walnut Creek, 72, up 50%. We're in La Miranda next. Homes for sale, mixed. Lafayette, 49, up 17%. Moraga, 11, Orinda, 36, both down. Sales prices, big increases. Orinda, $1.9 million, up 30% from last October. Homes sold, up in all 3 communities. Moraga, 14 sold, up 75%. The Tri-Valley is next, and all about supply, low, and demand, high. Homes for sale, fewer choices everywhere. Danville, 71 for sale. Livermore, 39. San Ramon, just 25 on the market. That's down 68%. Sales prices, supply and demand, and prices up. Alamo, 2.644, up 47%. Danville, 1.62. Pleasanton, 1.337. And San Ramon, more than 1.3, up 21%. Homes sold, mixed. Sales up in Alamo, Danville, and Dublin, with 52 sold, up 73%. Livermore and Pleasanton, down slightly. Finally, we go to the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Brentwood, 85, down 56%, and Oakley, 31 for sale, down 61%. Sales prices, up everywhere. Antioch, 540, up 16%. Pittsburgh, 533, up 17%. Homes sold, up. Brentwood, 119, up 20%, and Discovery Bay, 42 sold, up 40%. Buyers are in the market. Will sellers respond and bring more supply? We'll find out next month. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy.